Welcome to HSPF training by DSI. This is video HSPF140. How do I download NLDAS and GLDAS data using Python script? In the previous video, we downloaded NLDAS data using Basins. However, Basins is not suited for downloading GLDAS data for the locations that are outside the United States. So below this video, you will find a simple Python script that you can actually use to download GLDAS data from any place around the world. And if the location is in United States, then it will download the data, download the NLDAS data. You can look through the script and go through the comments, and I'll just go through it quickly. These are the two tools that were developed by Tim Serra, as I mentioned earlier. This function does a unit conversion. This is the list of stations. In this case, I have set up the information for 3 stations: Allahabad in India, Asmara in East Africa, Seattle in the United States. Add a latitude, longitude, and time zone difference. I'm downloading air temperature and precipitation only. If you want to add more, you will have to look at the documentation. You can add more. So what it does is that it creates a new WDM file. So let's call it today's date. So it will create a new WDM file. It will download the data, adjust the time, do the unit conversion. And in this case, I have limited the data for only 2 months so that it downloads very quickly. And that's it. One other thing to notice is that, so while we are talking, I can set it to run. One of the things that you can notice is that this DF is the Python data frame. So this Python data frame, right now it is being downloaded from the tsget toolbox. But if you have data series in Python data frame, you can add it into a WDM file. So if you remember in the second video, HSPF120, we imported the data using CSV file using the script. If you can import the data using Pandas data frame and make sure that the data is in time series format, you can use this code to put that data in the WDM file directly. So that can make your time series processing a little faster, especially if you are more familiar with the Python scripting environment. So let's see. I think it's done. Let's look at the folder. And this WDM file is here. Double click. It should open in Sarah time series utility. 6 time series, select time series, and we have gone through this part of exercise before where we looked at different data sets. So since it is only 2 months or a couple of months of data, it's only a couple of months of data, so it's not very interesting to see. But I hope this gives you an idea how you can effectively use Python to actually download the data and save it in WDM format. And especially if you are making projects that are outside the United States and you want to quickly get the data with only latitudes and longitudes, this will be very useful. One word of caution is that if you have latitudes and longitudes on water, ocean, then the script will throw error. I'll probably put some more error checks in there, but right now the data is not available for the water boundaries, so you will not be able to download any of the NLDAS and GLDAS data if the latitudes and longitudes are not on the land area. So that's it for this video. We'll look in the next video and we'll learn a little bit about UCI file. Thank you so much.